All right, petrol heads. Today we're diving into the world of aerial combat. We've got two lightweight fighters, each raring for a brawl. In this corner, hailing from India, it's the Tejas MK1A. This delta-winged beauty is nimble and packs a punch. In the opposite corner, representing Pakistan and China, we have the GE F404 Block 3. This fighter boasts some serious upgrades over its predecessors. It's like comparing a souped-up hatchback to a proper track day car. Which one will reign supreme? Buckle up because things are about to get interesting. Dogfighting is where instinct and machine become one. The Tejas, with its delta wing design, pulls off tight turns like a dancer. Its powerful engine lets it zip and zoom, dodging enemy fire. Imagine a hummingbird darting between flowers. That's the Tejas. The GE F404 Block 3 isn't a slouch either. It's got excellent maneuverability thanks to its aerodynamic design and powerful engine. Think of a cheetah weaving through the savannah. It's agile and quick on its feet, ready to pounce. This round is a tie. Both fighters are incredibly agile, making for one thrilling dogfight. Seeing your enemy before they see you is crucial in a dogfight. The Tejas MK1A incorporates composite materials to reduce its radar signature. This makes it harder to detect on radar, like trying to spot a chameleon against a leafy background. The GE F404 Block 3 has also stepped up its stealth game. It features a smaller radar cross-section than earlier versions. Imagine a hawk camouflaged against a rocky mountain. Not easy to spot. Again, it's a close call. Both aircraft utilize stealth technology, making them tough targets to lock onto. Section 4, Long-Range Deathmatch, Missiles Away. Beyond visual range combat is a different beast altogether. The Tejas MK1A packs a powerful radar system and can launch a variety of missiles. It's like a sniper, taking precise shots from afar. The GE F404 Block 3 also boasts an impressive arsenal. It can fire long-range missiles and has a more advanced radar system than previous versions. Think of a sharpshooter picking off targets with deadly accuracy. This round goes to the GE F404 Block 3. Its advanced radar and missile systems give it the edge in long-range combat. Section 5, and the winner is. So there you have it, folks. It's a split decision. The Tejas MK1A and the GE F404 Block 3 are both formidable fighters. In a tight, turning dogfight, these two would be neck and neck. The Tejas might have a slight edge in maneuverability. However, when it comes to beyond visual range combat, the GE F404 Block 3 pulls ahead with its superior radar and longer range missiles. Ultimately, the victor would depend on the skills of the pilot and the specific circumstances of the engagement. It's like comparing a rally car to a Formula One car. Both are incredibly fast, but excel in different areas. One thing's for sure, this face-off would be one for the ages.